Hey there, heartbroken warriors. Are you tired of scrolling through your ex's social media, wondering what could have been? Do you find yourself daydreaming about rekindling that spark even when your friends say it's time to move on? Left in a puddle of tears and half-eaten ice cream? Let's face it, the idea of getting back together with your ex can feel like chasing a mirage. But what if I told you there's a way to turn those desperate thoughts into a strategic game plan? Now, I may be a man sharing my insights, but trust me, this advice is for everyone. Think your love life's officially over? Think again, sweetheart. Whether you're a guy trying to spark back the flame with that special someone, or a lady wanting to get her man back, we all face the same challenges. Together, let's rekindle the flame, because in this video, we're diving deep into the juicy details of how to get your ex back. It'll make them question everything they ever thought they knew. But let's be brutally honest, getting back with an ex isn't for the faint of heart. It's a roller coaster of emotions, a battlefield of insecurities, and a potential minefield of awkward silences. But if you're willing to play the game and play it smart, you can win. And that's exactly what we're here to teach you. This isn't about begging, it's about reclaiming your power. Let's get started. Tip 1, the no contact rule, but make it strategic. Forget everything you've heard about ghosting. This isn't about disappearing, it's about strategic withdrawal. Give them space to miss you, but not so much space that they forget you exist. We're talking about a well-timed reappearance, looking better than ever, making them wonder where you've been and what you've been up to. Think of it as a carefully orchestrated absence, a delicious tease that leaves them craving more. Tip 2, become the better version of yourself. This isn't about changing who you are, it's about enhancing who you are. Hit the gym, revamp your wardrobe, take up a new hobby, whatever makes you feel amazing. Confidence is your secret weapon, and it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. When they see you shining, radiating self-love and self-assurance, they'll wonder what they're missing, what they let go of. Tip 3, the subtle art of the social media. Stalking without the stalking. Social media is a double-edged sword. Use it wisely. Post pictures of yourself living your best life, but don't overdo it. Subtlety is key. Let them see glimpses of your happiness, not a full-blown parade of perfection. We're aiming for intrigue, not intimidation. Think quality over quantity. A few well-chosen photos are far more effective than a constant stream of self-promotion. Tip 4, rekindle the friendship, if possible. Sometimes, the path back to romance starts with friendship. A casual text, a friendly coffee date. These are your stepping stones. But tread carefully. Don't push it. Let the friendship blossom naturally. Remember, we're building a foundation, not forcing a reunion. This requires patience, understanding, and a willingness to let things unfold organically. Tip 5, apologize, but only if you mean it. If you messed up, own it. A genuine apology can go a long way. But don't just say sorry. Explain why you're sorry and what you've learned. This isn't about groveling, it's about showing growth and maturity. Make sure your apology is sincere and heartfelt. Insincerity will only make things worse. Tip 6, highlight your growth and change. Show them that you've learned from your mistakes. Are you more patient, more understanding, more self-aware? Let them see the evolution. This isn't about begging for forgiveness, it's about showcasing your transformation. Subtly highlight your positive changes, letting your actions speak louder than words. Tip 7, reignite the spark with a dash of mystery. Remember those things that made your relationship special. Revisit them subtly. A shared memory, a favorite song, an inside joke. These are your secret weapons. But don't be predictable. Add a touch of mystery, a sprinkle of unpredictability. Keep them guessing, keep them intrigued. Tip 8, master the art of the casual encounter. Run into them accidentally at a coffee shop, a bookstore, or a mutual friend's party. Keep it brief, but make it memorable. A genuine smile, a quick chat. These are your opportunities to reignite the connection. But don't make it too obvious. A chance encounter should feel natural and spontaneous. Tip 9, listen more than you speak. In any relationship, communication is key, but this time, focus on listening. Let them talk. Really listen to what they have to say. Show genuine interest in their life, their feelings, their dreams. Active listening shows respect and understanding, which are crucial for rebuilding trust. Tip 10, don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Show your true self. Share your fears, your hopes, your dreams. Vulnerability is a sign of strength, not weakness. It creates intimacy and trust, which are essential for any successful relationship. Authenticity is key. Don't try to be someone you're not. Tip 11, respect their boundaries. If they're not ready, respect that. Don't pressure them, don't push them. Give them the space and time they need. Persistence is key, but so is respect. Pushing too hard will only push them further away. Tip 12, focus on yourself, but keep them in mind. While you're working on becoming the best version of yourself, remember to subtly keep them in mind. What would they appreciate? What would make them impressed? This isn't about manipulation, it's about strategic self-improvement. Subtlety is key here. Don't make it obvious that you're trying to impress them. Tip 13, accept rejection gracefully. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, it's not meant to be. If they say no, accept it gracefully. Don't beg, don't plead, don't harass. Maintain your dignity. You've already won by becoming a better version of yourself. Remember, your self-worth isn't tied to their decision. Tip 14, learn from your mistakes. Regardless of the outcome, learn from the experience. What went wrong? What could you have done differently? Use this as an opportunity for personal growth and self-reflection. This is crucial for future relationships, regardless of whether you get back together with your ex. Tip 15, move on, even if you get them back. Whether you get your ex back or not, remember to move on. Don't let your life revolve around them. Focus on your own happiness, your own goals, your own fulfillment. This is about self-love, first and foremost. Your happiness shouldn't depend on anyone else. So there you have it, 15 expanded tips to help you navigate the treacherous waters of getting your ex back. But remember, this is just the beginning. For even more advanced techniques, strategies, and downright provocative advice on conquering your love life, head over to promiscuouspost.com. We've got a treasure trove of tips and tricks to help you elevate your dating game to a whole new level. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Let's help others reclaim their love lives. See you at promiscuouspost.com.